This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the service mentioned at no extra cost to you because they are the best in the industry. Before we start, click the link in the description to get your Wyoming LLC set up using BZ. So let's jump in. LLC or Limited Liability Company. It's a business structure that separates your personal assets from your businesses. If your Amazon store gets sued, your house, car, and savings stay protected. It's a must for serious FBA sellers. Here's why you need one. Number one, lawsuit protection. Amazon suspends you, suppliers sue, your LLC takes the hit. Tax flexibility. Pay yourself as an owner, not an employee. Lower taxes. Credibility. Suppliers and customers trust LLC businesses more. Wyoming is the number one state for LLCs. Here's why. $0 state taxes. Zero corporate or personal income tax. Privacy. No public disclosure of owners. Keep competitors in the dark. Low fees. Just $60 per year to maintain. The Wyoming Secretary of State site confirms it's business paradise. Ready to set yours up? I use BZ. They registered 1 million plus businesses. Here is how. Number one, go to bz.com. Click Form and LLC. Hover over button. Number two, select Wyoming as your state. Number three, choose the free plan. You pay $0 plus state fees, $109. Number four, enter your business name. Number five, add your details. BZ acts as your registered agent for free year one. And number six, checkout. Only pay Wyoming's state fee. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.